Well, hands up, who doesn't use sunscreen here? The truth is, we all know that using sunscreen is not just important for prevention of aging, but also for prevention of skin cancers. It's important to know the practical reasons why individuals may not use as much sunscreen as they should, and we're going to explore it in this short clip. First of all, your sunscreen may leave a white cast on your skin. Now, this is quite common with Western formulated sunscreens because of the difference in the skin tone and skin color. Now, for Asian skin, it's really important to also understand that in Southeast Asia especially, the humidity actually increases discomfort when we wear sunscreen, and that is exacerbated because we are all wearing a face mask these days. Now, the truth is, in order for an effective sunscreen to protect you against the ultraviolet rays, it has to be in some sort of oil vehicle. This is primarily because the UVA blockers are stable in an oil vehicle as opposed to just the physical blockers, which are broad spectrum UVB particularly. UVA is actually important in terms of its role in photoaging. Now, it's also very important to know that your sunscreen contains antioxidants because antioxidants work synergistically together with sunscreen ingredients to reduce and prevent skin damage due to sun exposure. It also helps to reduce oxidative stress caused by environmental pollution. Portulaca Oleracea, or Purslane, is the active antioxidant in this formula. It also has an anti-wrinkle ingredient, hexapeptide, which has a Botox-like effect in terms of relaxing your skin's muscles when topically applied.